Discover Japan's 7 must-visit floral wonders. Japan, famed for its cultural heritage and natural wonders, beckons flower enthusiasts from around the globe. Explore a tapestry of flower gardens that showcase the mesmerizing dance of seasons and the kaleidoscope of colors and blooms. Join me on this journey as we uncover Japan's most enchanting flower gardens, including the iconic cherry blossoms, providing you with all the essentials for your floral escapade. Number 1. Cherry blossoms. Sakura season. No visit to Japan is complete without experiencing the ethereal beauty of cherry blossoms, known as Sakura. These delicate pink blooms blanket the country in spring, symbolizing renewal, fleeting beauty, and the transient nature of life. The tradition of celebrating Sakura dates back over 1,000 years and is deeply rooted in Japanese culture. Hanami, or flower viewing, is the practice of gathering with friends and family to enjoy the blooming trees. Parks, gardens. Key locations to witness the Sakura include Ueno Park in Tokyo, Maruyama Park in Kyoto, and the banks of the Meguro River. Each site offers a unique perspective, from historic temples surrounded by blossoms to riversides illuminated by lanterns in the evening. The cherry blossom season is a time of festivals and celebrations. The fleeting nature of the blossoms, which typically last only a week or two, adds to their mystique and allure, reminding everyone to cherish the beauty of the present moment. They symbolize not only the arrival of spring but also the resilience and enduring spirit of the Japanese people. Whether you're strolling through a serene garden or participating in a lively festival, experiencing Sakura season in Japan is a magical and unforgettable adventure. Number 2. Keisei Rose Garden, Chiba. Nestled in Yachiyo City, Chiba Prefecture, the Keisei Rose Garden is a sanctuary spanning 7.4 acres, home to around 10,000 roses of 1,600 varieties. This enchanting garden offers a year-round allure, with peak bloom seasons in mid-May to early June and mid-October to early November, when the roses are at their most magnificent. Visitors can immerse themselves in the garden's vibrant beauty and participate in a variety of engaging activities. The garden center hosts expert-led floral discussions, offering insights into the art of rose cultivation and care. For those seeking a leisurely experience, the garden provides an array of culinary delights. Indulge in delectable treats at La Rose Restaurant. Enjoy a relaxing moment at the Keisei Rose Garden is not just a visual feast, but also a place of learning and relaxation. Its meticulously landscaped grounds feature themed sections, each showcasing different varieties and arrangements of roses. Wander through the garden's pathways, admire the intricate designs, and find inspiration in the stunning displays of color and fragrance. Whether you're a seasoned horticulturist or simply a lover of nature's beauty, the Keisei Rose Garden offers a serene escape and a chance to connect with the natural world. The garden's harmonious blend of nature, education, and gastronomy makes it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Chiba Prefecture. Number 3. Kamo Garden, Shimane. Visit Kamo Garden in Shimane Prefecture, renowned for its breathtaking displays of hydrangeas and begonias. During the blooming seasons, the garden transforms into a sea of vibrant colors, offering a serene and picturesque escape. Stroll through the garden's carefully curated pathways and immerse yourself in the beauty of these lush blooms, which are particularly stunning in the rainy season. The hydrangea season peaks in June, providing visitors with a mesmerizing array of blue, pink, and purple flowers. The garden is also home to a vast collection of begonias, which bloom almost year-round in a riot of colors. The garden features a peaceful atmosphere with charming walking paths, small ponds, and traditional Japanese garden elements, making it a perfect spot for relaxation and contemplation. Whether you're an avid photographer, a nature lover, or simply seeking a tranquil retreat, Kamo Garden offers an unforgettable floral experience. Number 4. Sera Kogen Farm, Hiroshima. Discover one of Japan's largest flower gardens in Sera, Hiroshima Prefecture, boasting 11 million sunflowers and 700,000 tulips annually. In spring, enjoy the cherry blossoms, which create a magical pink canopy. April and May bring vibrant tulip fields, while summer showcases vast expanses of cheerful sunflowers. The Sera Kogen Farm is renowned for its seasonal festivals. The Tulip Festival in April-May is a must-see, featuring intricate flower displays and interactive installations. In summer, the sunflower fields are a sight to behold, with 11 million blooms stretching as far as the eye can see. The Dahlia Festival in September-October is another highlight, featuring stunning dahlia varieties in vivid colors. Families and visitors can also enjoy sunflower mazes and towers, making it a fun and educational experience for all ages. Number 5. Yamada Sunflower Garden, Saga. Located in Miyazaki City, Saga Prefecture, the Yamada Sunflower Garden offers a breathtaking contrast of yellow sunflowers against lush greenery and azure skies. November sees the garden ablaze with around 100,000 sunflowers in full bloom, drawing photographers and farmers selling fresh produce nearby. Number 6. Ikoma Plateau, Miyazaki. Experience the magic of autumn at Ikoma Plateau in Kobayashi City, Miyazaki Prefecture, adorned with a million cosmos flowers from September to October. Wander through fields of pansies, poppies, and salvias, alongside the iconic cosmos, creating an idyllic retreat for couples and families amidst nature's splendor. Number 7. Ashikaga Flower Park, Tochigi. Witness the enchanting wisteria tunnels at Ashikaga Flower Park in Tochigi Prefecture, where ancient wisteria trees create a fairy tale canopy of purple, pink, and white blossoms. The park is especially renowned for its great wisteria, a sprawling 150-year-old tree that covers over 1,000 square meters with its cascading blooms. In addition to the wisteria, the park features a variety of other floral displays throughout the year, including roses, hydrangeas, and azaleas. The park's illuminated wisteria display at night is a must-see, drawing visitors from near and far for its magical ambience. During the annual The Tale of the Wisteria Festival, the park extends its hours to allow guests to experience the wisteria in a stunning nighttime setting, where the flowers glow under carefully arranged lights, creating a surreal and unforgettable experience. Thank you for watching. Like and follow for more videos and travel inspiration.